Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 31st of May. The euro climbed to a two-month high at 130.61 against the US dollar, breaking its major resistance level at 130. The single currency appreciated against its major peers and speculation that the European economy may be more stable. On the calendar, the expectations for the European unemployment rate are at 12.2%. Anything better than this may open the road for new highs. The US dollar paired losses of the previous day against the Japanese yen, touching the level of 101.80. The yen weakened after a decline in Japan's consumer pricing, adding more signs that the Bank of Japan's stimulus program tends to shift investors to look for alternatives offshore. The pair is trading at around 100.90 and looks for a new direction. Looking at equities, the GER 30 advanced from 8297 up to 8422. The German stocks rose as the economic confidence in the Eurozone increases. The index may continue to rise for a while. Looking at commodities, gold rallied for another consecutive day, reaching a monthly high at 1421 against the US dollar. The precious metal rises on speculation that the US Fed may maintain its stimulus program to boost growth. The precious metal looks to continue its rally toward higher highs. WTI crude oil rose all the way up to 94 after reaching a record low at 91.65 US dollars per barrel. The US crude oil inventories increased to 3 million barrels, outweighing the expectations of a decrease of 0.8 million barrels. Energy prices picked up and are currently trading at around 93.50. And let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. Euro dollar pivot points at 129.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.75. The dollar yen pivot points at 100.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 100.55. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 0.9610 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9610. The sterling dollar pivot points at 151.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 151.50. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 103.45 with a preference to enter in short positions at 103.45. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 91.65 with a preference to enter into long positions at 91.65. The gold pivot points at 1397 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1397. The silver pivot point at 22.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 22.35. The US 500 is at 1578 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1578. And the UK 100 is at 6655 with a preference to enter into short positions at 6655. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And let's take a look at the calendar. Watch out for these market movers. At 8 GMT in Europe, we have the Italian monthly unemployment rate expected 11.6%. At 9 GMT in Europe, we have the unemployment rate expected 12.2%. And at 1800 GMT in Canada, we have the GDP month-on-month forecast to drop by 0.1%. And our mover and shaker to end the week is the British pound, which climbed from 151.08 all the way up to 152.39 against the US dollar, reaching a two-week high. Rising UK home prices helped the cable recover from previous losses. The pair may continue its bullish trend and breaking its new resistance level at 152.50. Thank you for tuning into our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again next week. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.